Hello students, in today's session we will start the first module, International Business and Trade. So now let us know the meaning of international business. What is the meaning of international business? The international business is the purchasing and selling of the goods, commodities and services outside its national border. Means the international business is a purchasing and selling of the goods. Means it relates to any situation where the productions and distribution of the goods. Okay, and here the commodity means it is a trade, the international trade in the primary goods and services outside its national border. Means the exchange of goods and services between the one or more nations. Next definition. International business refers to the trade of goods, services, technology, capital and or knowledge across national borders and at a global or transactional scale. It involves cross-border transaction of goods and services between two or more countries. Means the international business refers to the trade. So here the trade is defined as a general marketplace of buying and selling goods, and it involves cross-border transactions of goods and services between two or more countries. Means cross-border transaction means exchange of goods and services between two or more countries. Okay, difference between domestic business and international business. So here the domestic business and international business. In domestic business, buyers and sellers belongs to same country. Means the domestic business refers to the business where economic transactions are conducted within a country or same country. But in international business, buyers and sellers belongs to different countries. Means the international business refers to the business where the economic transactions are conducted across borders with several countries in the world. Means the different countries. The next second one, it deals with single countries. Means the domestic business deals with the single countries, but the international business deals with the multiple countries. Okay, the next, there are few restrictions on domestic business. Means there is few conditions on domestic business, but in international business there are a lots conditions on domestic business. The fourth one, domestic business refers to the business where the economic conditions are conducted within a graphical boundaries of the one country. Means the domestic business buyers and sellers belongs to same country, means within country. But in international business refers to the business where the economic transactions are conducted across border with several countries in the world. Means the international business buyers and sellers belongs to different countries, means in the world. Okay, the fifth one is, in domestic business capital investment is less. Means the amount investment is less in domestic business, but in international business capital investment is huge. Today I stop here. Thank you.